The Administrative Coordinator program is a 2-year program, and the Virtual Assistant and Meeting and Event Planner programs are a 1-year technical diploma. Some key things that you will learn in all of the programs would be customer service, media management, along with project management. Specifically in Virtual Assistant, you will be prepared to work from home, but you don't necessarily have to go into a virtual career. This also prepares business professionals in any type of industry. The Meeting and Event Planner technical diploma, you will learn how to plan meetings and events. You will learn to develop budgets along with creating marketing materials as well. Among the 3, the delivery options for all of the courses, we do offer all 3 online. There are also some face-to-face options, and just recently we added a synchronous option. So if you wanted to attend from home and meet with the class that way, that is also becoming an option for you as well. So one of the great things about our programs is there is a career pathway. And what that means is you can take small stepping stones, and first you can start with a project coordinator certificate. So that's about a 1 semester or about 16 credit certificate, which will go into the meeting and event planner and the virtual assistant. So the 1-year programs then will step into the administrative coordinator program, which is your 2-year program. So when you are done, you could essentially leave with 3 diplomas and 1 certificate. Shared course among all 3 of the programs is meeting and event planning. And one of the great things that we do in that class is we plan a live event. Events in the past, we have planned the Fondy Food Pantry grand opening, portfolio showcase night. We actually have done that in person and virtually. So what goes into that is you will be responsible for setting up logistics, meeting with the key people of each event, planning the budget, if there's food, seating, marketing materials. Career opportunities you can expect to apply for or look for would be administrative assistant, office assistant, events manager, executive assistant, office administrator. The salary range for each of those jobs is between $18 and $25 an hour. If you enjoy working with people, managing and planning events or projects, enjoy a flexible work environment, and consider yourself a self-starter, any of these programs would be a great fit for you.